Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Alhamdulillah, we are really grateful because we managed to complete the video presentation within the time given by our beloved lecturer, that is Sir Hidayat. This assignment is impossible to be done without the amazing cooperation and also the idea from our fellow teammates, that is Adam Shahmi, Shazwan and also Muhammad Shahmi. We also thank our lecturer Sir Hidayat from the bottom of our heart for his guidance and willingness to teach us this course. Lastly, we would also like to express our gratitude to our classmates, family, and friends that helped and encouraged us throughout this entire time. What is differentiation? Differentiation is the process of finding the derivative or the rate of change of the function. The practical method of differentiation is using knowledge of three basic derivatives, four operational rules, and how to operate a function. It can be done by algebraic operation. Basic derivatives are algebraic function, trigonometric function, and exponential function. For a function consisting of a combination of functions of these classes, the theory is to distinguish the sum, product, or quotient of any two functions fx and also gx whose derivatives are known. It provides the following basic rules such as sum, product, and also quotient rule. For the other operational rules, which is product rules, it provides a way to differentiate compound function. The chain rule states the derivative of a composite function is given by a product rule.
Water is pouring into a conical pie so that the height of the pie is always equal to twice of its radius. If the water is pouring at the rate of 12 cm cubed per second, how fast is the height of the pie increase when the pie is 6 cm deep?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is the problem solving of the question. Okay. Based on the question, we know that dv over dt is equal to 12, and we must find dh over dt. So how to find dh over dt? dh over dt is equal to dv over dt times dh over dv. Okay. From the question, we know that height is equal to twice of the radius. So we must have r as subject. So r is equal to h over 2. So the formula of conical pile is 1 over 3 pi r square h. So after that, we have to substitute the r into the formula. So we get 1 over 3 pi h over 2 square h. Okay, so we can settle down the equation. So from the equation, we can get pi over 3 h cube over 4. Okay. Now, from the equation, we have to differentiate and get 1 over 12 times 3 by h square. Okay. Next we can expand the equation. So we get 3 by h square over 12. Okay, we can settle down or we can simplify the equation. So we get pi h square over 4. Pi h square over 4. Okay. So we have to get dh over dv. So how to get dh over dv from dv over dh? From the equation we have to 1 over the dv over dh. So we get 1 over pi h square over 4. Now we already get dh over dv. Based on the early formula that I taught, dh over dt is equal to dv over dt times dh over dv. Okay. This we know dv over dt is equal to 12 and dh over dv is 1 per pi h square over 4. So dh over dt is equal to 12 times 1 over pi 6 square over 4. Where we get 6 square? So the dh is 6 based on the equation, so we just substitute into h. Okay, now we can simplify, so we get 12 over 36 pi over 4. So now based on the equation we can settle down, so we get 12 times 4 over 36 pi. Okay, from the equation we can get 48 over 36 pi. Okay, from here we can simplify it again and get 4 over 3 pi. Okay, 4 over 3 pi is the final answer, or we can conclude it as 0.4244. Okay, that's the end, or that's the solving of the equation. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, we can see that water has been pouring to conical pi until the height of pi is equal to 2 times of its radius. From the problem statement, we need to find out how fast is the height of the pi increasing when the pi is 6 cm deep. By using the differentiation method, we can find some information such as height per volume dh per dv to determine height per rate dh per dt. By using this method, we are able to find the rate of change of one quantity with respect to another.